Let's see what is inside a firecracker. I'll lay it out. 0.86 grams. Go ahead and cut at the base where the clay is going to be. So I'll go ahead and cut that. Let's see what we have. Clay. I'm going to dump the clay out on this side. I'll go ahead and slowly dump this out until I get to the gray. There we go, I can see the gray. There we go. So we have the clay. Let's pour out the gray. Gray is the explodey. There we go. This ought to be able to pour all the way until I get to a solid, because there's a clay plug up top. There we go. All the explodey powder right there, which is not much if you look at this. So that's what we have so far. Got the clay. What I peeled off of this so you can get a better idea. And then this right here runs into the clay. Packed clay from here to here. Fuse sticking out that hits this. From about this line here to this line here, that's where the explodey powder is. The rest of it, I'd say dead space, but it's not. It's clay and some other things. It makes me think of when I open a bag of potato chips and 90% of what's in that bag is air. Kind of a gimmick. But so from here, I have a packed clay plug right there. I'll pull the fuse out. Let's go ahead and slip out the fuse. So there you have it. You've got the loose clay portion, the FP, explodey powder portion, and then the condensed clay portion where the fuse goes through it. Kind of like that, the fuse goes through, hits this, which is condensed, but there's a fuse that runs down the center, throws the fire to the FP, or the explodey powder, and all this is to create a pressure so that this right here is what explodes. Let's go ahead and weigh it out. Which is negligible, it's less than 100th. Now we have a condensed clay that holds the fuse in place and creates back pressure. 0.32 grams. Now we have what I like to call the secret sauce, or explodey powder. Let's go ahead and weigh that. 0.06 grams. Now we have the loose clay that was at the base. 0.28 grams. Now we have the paper housing, but let's see. 0.24 grams, just the paper. I'll go ahead and mix this with this. I don't much care about this because this is clay and clay. So those two together is 0.61 grams. Let's go ahead and throw the paper on there. 0.82 grams. Let's go ahead and throw the fuse on there. It doesn't change. All right, so all of that is 0.82 grams. All I have left is this powder, which I'd pour on there, but I don't want to. I want to light it, so I'm going to do that separate. But I'll put the weight of this and I'll add it up and put that on the screen to kind of compare. And let's go ahead and light it. See what it does loose. Let's go ahead and light this. Fuse that's not contained is going to take off like a rocket. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, those firecrackers, you can kind of almost just unroll them. It's kind of interesting to just unroll it and see what's on the inside. But there we go. So you can see that FP or explodey powder in the center, loose clay, and then hardened clay with the fuse that goes through into the explodey powder. Ooh. So that's how firecracker works. So this is 2 or 3 of them combined. Let's light it. It shouldn't send the fuse this time. Never mind. That's cool. Ready if you are.
Okay, ready.
Where the heck did it go? Did a nice roasted